So hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you on how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026 for iOS and Android. So let me just go ahead and open my game real quick, and as you guys can see I have already downloaded the Spoofer so I can go anywhere I want with the help of this joystick and by just staying at home. So let me just show you my settings real quick. Alright, so let me just go ahead and click here and open settings. So now you guys can see every features is in here, every setting toggles and everything. So after you download it, don't forget to use every features because it's really easy to use and really cool to use it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the exact steps on how to get it. So just go ahead and open your profile and just go ahead and click add friend. Now you guys can see your trainer code is in here, so just copy this real quick, and now all you have to do is go back and open your browser and just go to the website called iSpoofpogo.com. So as you guys can see, I'm already in this website and everything about this website is written in here. So for now I'm just going to continue with this, and you guys can see now all you have to do is paste the trainer code that you just copied before and select the iOS, Android or PC that you're using. For now I'm just going to continue with iOS. So as you guys can see, it's processing right now, it's pasting profile data and everything. So alright, also another cool thing about this website is you guys can select a full edition or a custom edition, because some people likes to use custom edition, so it is in here. So for now I'm just going to continue with full edition package. So alright, as you guys can see, it's initializing kernel and everything is processing right now, so I'm just going to give it a second. And alright, so also I've been using this spoofer for about a month now and it's working perfectly fine in both of my iOS and in my Android device. There hasn't been any errors so far, so this spoofer is really cool. So finally it's ready to import. Now all we have to do is verify ourselves. So alright, sorry, so I'm just going to click it again and you guys can see it is verifying right now. So alright, sometimes it fails. I think it's because of the high traffic, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it again. And alright, so finally we are being verified. So alright, finally we are verified and our import is successful, 100% complete and ready to use. So let me just go back to my game and open Pokemon Go and close these tabs real quick. So you guys can see I can go anywhere I want with the help of my joystick. So don't forget to turn your joystick dynamic mode in your settings after you get this spoofer. So also let me show you another cool trick about the spoofer is you guys can teleport to anywhere you want. So open your map and where should we go? Let me just click here, and I guess I should hold it here and click teleport. So alright, let me just click teleport and okay. So boom, as you guys just saw, I just teleported to a whole different place in just a matter of seconds. Now I can go anywhere I want and catch as many Pokemons I want. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video.